Artificial intelligence is evolving at an unstoppable pace. From replacing jobs to making human-like decisions, AI is no longer just science fiction. It's our reality. But is AI making our lives easier, or are we slowly losing control? Will it lead us to a golden future, or is it a ticking time bomb waiting to explode? Today, we uncover how AI is taking over the world, and whether we should be worried. Make sure to watch till the end because the final AI prediction will shock you. Welcome to World Insights by Harim. AI is no longer just a tool. It's embedded in our daily lives. Your phone unlocks using AI-powered facial recognition. Social media decides what you see through AI-based algorithms. AI chatbots like ChatGPT are replacing customer service jobs. Self-driving cars are now a reality. AI doctors can now diagnose diseases better than humans. AI is making decisions faster than we ever could. But what happens when we no longer understand how it makes those decisions? If you think your job is safe, think again. By 2030, AI is expected to replace over 300 million jobs worldwide. Jobs at risk customer service AI chatbots are already replacing call center agents. Drivers, self-driving cars and trucks will take over. Cashiers, AI-powered checkout systems are already in stores. Writers and artists, AI-generated content is becoming more realistic. But don't worry. AI will also create new jobs. The question is, will humans be able to adapt fast enough? AI is powerful, but can it be dangerous? Deepfakes and fake news. AI can create fake videos and voices to spread misinformation. Hacking and cybersecurity risks. AI-powered cyber attacks are on the rise. Military AI countries are developing autonomous killer robots. Loss of human control. AI can make decisions we don't understand. If AI becomes smarter than humans, what happens when it no longer needs us? So should we be worried or excited? AI can solve major problems, healthcare breakthroughs. AI can cure diseases faster than doctors, climate change solutions. AI can help reduce carbon emissions, scientific discoveries. AI can speed up innovation and space exploration. The real danger is not AI itself, but how humans choose to use it. If we control AI wisely, it can lead us to a better future. But if we misuse it, the consequences could be disastrous. AI is taking over the world, but will it be our friend or foe? What do you think? Will AI make the world better or worse? Comment below. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to World Insights by Harim for more mind-blowing topics. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos.